Right, mini enthusiasts, I thought I'd record this just because it's interesting. There's a bit of nostalgia for you. Actually makes me feel quite old. So as you'd have seen in the videos, or maybe I didn't use this bit, I don't know, but just for a bit of nostalgia, Sprout is a 1997 car. It's got a tape player in it, which are these funny things which most kids nowadays probably have not got a clue what you do with. So yeah, it's I guess it's a 70s, 80s, 90s. They sort of died out in the 90s, didn't they, tapes, and we went to CDs. But Sprout still has a tape player in it, so I thought, let's get something period correct. So we've got 400 giant hits from 1997, which I bought off eBay. Unfortunately, I put the tape in this is my spare head unit. So I put the tape in the head unit like you do. It played for a little bit and then it started sounding a bit funny. I pulled the tape out and the tape had broken. It was all wound around inside there. I actually thought it might be the head unit that was faulty. So I've got my spare one. I thought I could take the cassette deck out of that one. But what it actually is the main... Oh God, I'm going real old school now. So the actual tape with the music on is the brown part, and this clear bit at the beginning is the beginning of the tape. There's no music on this bit, and that's the delay gap you get when you put the tape in to when it starts playing. That's actually glued onto the brown bit, and it's just come unglued from the brown bit on both tapes. That happened on both tapes. So I thought, damn, you know, these tapes are pretty new. I don't think they've been used, to be honest, or very little use. But they are, well, that is 23 odd years old. Might be a bit more than that. Well, it's going to be 23 years old. Hits 97. So, do you know, I'm not going to go back to the eBay seller and complain. It's just old, isn't it? So I thought, how can I fix this? So what I've actually done one now. I thought I'd just show you. Like I say, it's just nostalgia, isn't it? This is like plastic welded, so you can't take this apart, but I managed to pry it apart on the old tape and spool it back round the spool inside without using the sort of the clear bit of the tape, so there's no join there. Here's a bit of nostalgia for you. So obviously stick our pen in there to wind the tape around. Essential accessory for anyone with a tape player. Right, let's do the same on this side. Hopefully the plastic won't break. I managed to get away with it on the other side. Yellow. Okay, be there in a mo. I might not be as lucky with this one. Then again, ooh, that didn't feel good. There we go. Kids of the year 2020. Now all we've got to do, that is just bit there. All we've got to do is rewind this spool on that spool, get rid of the, so this is the same as the other side. To say the clear, I don't know what you call that called. What you call that, that's like the pre-tape bit, the pre-sound bit. And it's spooled on here. There's a little pin that goes through there. So you can release the pin. And then in theory I can just spool that back on there, do away with that little bit. All it means is we'll miss the first second of audio, but the rest of it will work. And yeah, let's get it back together. So let me put you on time lapse. This bit is very fiddly. I'm going to be proper short-changing some 90s artist here. Sorry about that, guys. If you're at the beginning of the tape. Get in.